our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Floppycats and ring the bell to be notified of our latest videos. Hi Floppycatters! We got this in the mail several weeks ago. We had a lot of unboxings at the time, and then everything kind of went awry with Camus because of his renal disease, so I haven't had a chance to do the unboxing for this yet. This is called a Slapmaster Floppy Fish, and there's actually lots of Facebook videos right now of a floppy fish that acts the same way as this. So this is just like a plush toy that has this little motor inside with that tail that flops back and forth. So let me see if I can turn it on. So it goes like that, and so inside the fish, that's happening. So I'll turn it off for now and put it inside the fish. So it's supposed to help them like be obviously attracted to it, want to bite it and stuff. And then you can also put catnip on it to make them attracted to it. What do you guys think? I thought actually they'd be scared of it, but they're not scared of this thing. So we'll see what happens. How funny. Now they're scared of it a little bit. What is it, Woo? Get it. Tell them who's boss, Woo. Oh, what's that fishy doing, Woo? Get that fishy. Get that fishy. Chiggy's gonna get that fishy too. I know if I get this doused in catnip, it will be a lot more enticing. Because literally right now, it just smells like fabric or whatever. All of this, the printing and stuff, is all for humans, not really for the cats. Well, look at a fish on the loose. Definitely curious. It's pretty funny. So it looks like when you kind of hit it again, it will, yeah. Maybe it's motion activated. What do you guys think? Did you see Chiggy's head? It was a little bit of a, like a play. I'm gonna play. Oh, he wants to play. Oh my gosh, he wants to play. So cute. So I have this paper out from just letting him play in a fort. So I might just do this. Let's see what happens here. Well, obviously they're interested. I am glad they're interested because I think I can get them even more interested by dousing it in catnip. So we will be reviewing this over the next 4 to 6 weeks. What questions you have, if any, please include them in the comments below, and I'll try to address that in the final product review video. Yes, Bunny, kick it. Bunny, kick it, Gowie. Bunny, kick it. Why isn't it moving? Get it. What the heck? I don't know what to do with that thing. I'm really pleasantly surprised by how they're reacting to it. I thought that they would not be into this thing at all. Okay. So the cool thing is this charges with a USB cord. So you're not using tons of batteries and all that sort of thing. You can recharge it. It tells you here, but you kind of saw how I think it did it. This is Velcro in the belly of the fish. And so then when you open that up, it accesses the motor that you can then turn off, like so. And then that's the USB plug. Well, not the USB end, but the other end. So you can pull that out of the fish, and then you just have the fish. You see both of them hit it with their paws. Oh my god. Gowie, there's no motor in it. Gowie, should we put the motor back in? You're pretty funny. All right, guys, I will include a link to where you can buy this online in the About section below. It does say that it flops for 15 seconds once your cat touches it, so that was me touching it. The makers of this one are Blackhole cat litter mat. They make my favorite cat litter mat. As you can see, it easily collects litter, and then you can pour it back into the litter box. It's very lightweight. And then you can find them on social with all those hashtags. And that's the box. So Moon Shuttle Blackhole is the same company. I think it was Moon Shuttle Blackhole cat litter mat when we first reviewed it. So I don't know, you know, company name type stuff, what the, you know, if it's a sister company or a parent company or something like that. All right, watch for the review. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's fighting it. Oh.